Good morning, Mikhail. Morning, Mom. This is so cozy.
It really is.
And the honey.
Of course, sweetie.
The best.
Time to bundle up, little one.
Here's your warm sweater.
Yay!
Gloves snug, Yura?
Yes, Mama.
Ready when you are.
Let's go.
Okay, stay close.
Here you go, little friends. Enjoy the feast.
Isn't this magical?
So pretty.
It really is.
Can we stay?
As long as you want.
Back inside, safe and sound.
Let's get the snow off.
My feet are cold. The warmth feels so good.
There we go.
In the quiet forest, a small fox named Yura found a path.
A little scared?
Yes, the snow is really coming down now.
Good thing we're safe and warm in here.
It's like a wild world out there.
How is it, sweetie?
It's good.
This is nice.
It is.